Right, this is how you make a file for as a torrent, so you can upload it on Demonoid. So what you, first of all, you have to you go on the site and whatever, it gives you a link there to download uTorrent. So you make the torrent in uTorrent, and so that's what you do. So you open uTorrent, and remember when you make a file, you go in here and you make a file. You always say add directory. You always click add directory, and you click the wherever your folder is, and in that folder it should be just the software or whatever application, the serial code, and or whatever crack code or whatever it is. Plus, it has to have of course downloaded from torrent, Demonoid torrent tracker. What would it actually say? It would actually say something like you have to download that. You have to download that. Torrent downloaded from http demonoid.ph. That has to go in the file as well. So basically, you have a folder. I'll show you. I'll give you an idea. You have a folder, and you put whatever you want in it. There's a folder there. Now forget about that for a minute. And in the folder, you have your software, your instructions, how to install it, and of course, Demonoid, download from Demonoid. Yeah, and that's it basically. So how do we get this like that? You know, where it says who's download? That's you need that. So in order for you to get that, you have to use this. So will you click on this, and anyway you go to that, just say that direct that I was using, and that directory, and you go along wherever that directory was, wherever it was. That was in my document somewhere, and it was called Power ISO. And you click on it, and when you click on it, it gives you normally when you click on Power ISO, and then make sure on your site it has a tracker. That's a tracker for you. So every time you upload stuff, that number never changes. That's your tracker role, and everyone always use that. And then you could always put in the comments great software or great movie, great whatever, and then you hit create. That's basically it, you know. So when you hit the create, that's it. There's no point in me doing it. So you hit create, and then this happens. You like this, and when it's up like that, and it's set a scene, power eyes, so it's seen perfectly. Well, that's basically it. Well, then you say, well, now I have to. Here's the hardest bit. I have to go to you go to torrent, and it should open. And when it opens, you go to upload torrent, yeah, as you know. And of course, you do that, and you fill in your and let me see what it is. Application, just say whatever it is. I'm just giving you an idea. Hit the next one, and then make sure you have a. Tells you pretty much, and it goes. You fill in the usual, whatever. You fill in what you think it is. You know, if it's for Windows or whatever. Language, of course, it'll be English, and say choose a file. So if I choose that file where I had the see, there's where the installation, how you put it on. There's the torrent file in. There's Power ISO, but this was made by uTorrent, and this is the part. This is the part. You click there. You click in there. Nothing else. And then you add all the description, whatever, you know. No, great stuff, whatever you want. Great grey or whatever, grey. Yeah. Oh, grey software to use or whatever. You know, you can add a smiley to it if you want. You know, there you are. And then that's basically it. Then you know you put in your code, or you give it change whatever the name it is. You know, well, power ISO with code or whatever. Yeah, you type in that code, and you just hit you know, finish upload, and you just wait for about 3 minutes, and that's it. It's all done. That just takes that tracker roll, and that's it. Ready to go. So if you have any problems, you shouldn't have, but it's fairly straightforward. Okay, yeah. Thanks for watching. Take care.